na or your lawyer for a or your lawyer P.T. Backman, no your Woolly Council, or friend there, or that power there, for that man do. Now, only na it is our time, ma'am, more facts of the case, no, and come back and
Okay.
in
Okay.
the
Go
fact
ahead.
of the case, as presented by prosecutor, for Superintendent Emmanuel Basintel, also accused has been Kenyan Mensa, a trader, aged 27 years, resident at Old John Sabal Road, Takoradi, on 16 September 2021 at about 4:05 p.m. Michael Simon of Colombia, Takoradi, husband of accused, informed police Takoradi Central that his wife, who is 10 months pregnant and lives with her mother, Agnes Acer, left home for a health work but could not return. Her mother added that the same day, at about 3:30 p.m., an unknown caller called her on MTN number 0599601438, and she only heard the voice of accused crying that she had been kidnapped and taken to an unknown destination. In the course of investigation, police discovered that the third number called from Agunan Kwanta and was registered in accused person's own name. Police traced the number there but did not find the accused. On 21st of September 2021, about 11:15 a.m., while search was in progress, police had intel which indicated that accused had been found at Azim. Police, Azim, was informed and accused was conveyed from the premises of the Jehovah Witness Kingdom Hall to Azim Government Hospital for treatment. Accused later narrated that she was pregnant and kidnapped during a walk on the 16th of September 2021 at about 4:30 a.m. by unknown people who covered her mouth with a cloth, making her unconscious, adding that she met about 12 other unknown women kidnapped by her captors and they were all killed except her. That she gave birth to a baby girl and afterwards fell unconscious the second time and had no idea how she got to Azim. Doctors who conducted the examination of the accused at Azim Government Hospital told police that they did not notice any postpartum signs. The doctor stated clearly that accused had not given birth within 6 days that she went missing and will surface. They added that no mark of violence was also noticed on the accused. On 22nd of September 2021, accused was discharged from Azim Hospital after she was attended by clinical psychologists. Police took accused person to Efian Kwanta Regional Hospital, where she was again examined by doctors, who also conducted that accused did not give birth to any baby within the 7 days that she went missing and resurfaced. They added that no mark of violence was detected on the accused. Records at Takoradi European Hospital, where accused claims she attended antenatal care, revealed that on the 11th of September 2020, she attended gynecological clinic. AB fact no said with
Yes.
complaints of lower abdominal pain, had pelvic ultrasound, which showed normal pelvic sound with empty uterus. She was treated for pelvic inflammatory disease (PID) and was requested to do hormonal tests. Accused subsequently attended the facility 4 times same year with complaints of blurred vision. The last visit she complained of cough, headache, body pains, and cold, for which she was managed for migraine. There was no record of her visit to antenatal clinic or any diagnosis of pregnancy. Same day, accused gave caution statements to police. She confessed that she actually faked the pregnancy and the kidnapping, that she conceived the idea after she experienced a miscarriage and lost her fetus in May 2021. Accused claims she has been wearing a pregnancy prothesis, which she bought from Market Circle, Takoradi, at the cost of 30 Ghana cedis, but she came into the bush while trekking on Takoradi Aguna Kwanta Trunk Road. Accused also admitted that the MTN number 0599601438, through which she spoke to her mother, was her own old SIM, which she discarded afterwards. After investigation, accused was charged with the above offences and arraigned before Harbour Court. In the anonymous charges near deceit of public officer and any publication of fake news to put fear in the public.
In the two charges when police for the abono say me body what kind in out of the most salient part no and it's time na or say ya kidnap no number or the frere ne maame and as a kidnappers ne the frere ne maame no police wo hwehwe mu hu say a lady na din na ya dey register sa number no. Okay, and on the visit to the European hospital no police watch more records nature say okoho ba ni nyina na enye for antenatal other nyoma na okwa right?
Yes, okay.
Wow. Now me te say no almost say silicone your friend is saying sa bam
belly no.
Sa silicone belly no police work on baby okoto on market cycle.
There be no more training so okoto market circle at a cost of 30 Ghana cedis.
Oh, okay.
Mom all agunam kwantano or you touch ne.
Okay. And until time ani ye hu no na yefro no ekọ no ho.
Sana report
no eka. Wow. And is it the next adjourned date near da ben?
14th of October.
14th October.
Yes.
Okay. But do you know say how much must satisfy bail conditions no?
Me no ka say die me police officer me almost satisfy the tune of 50,000 to the 92 charities with justification almost and satisfying me no ka say die me police officer I confirm say she's still in the police custody or Safari Central Police.
Oh, okay. Mama nka etie for amutie say wo pese wo hu de course we na e court lady no back court journalist pese try na picture na we see ni trust na ade oba ube hu videos nyina wa asempa page where very exclusive footages ayensa kan from the court premises and oba be hwe lady na the nose mask no just wa chiama akata nanim nyina kama e she yellow straight dress. Oh na na journalist be so capture nanim pa when or dane no oba obe hu Emmanuel Ohini Jan nam video yimu oba asempa Facebook page 94.7 FM na waba be share videos no ebi ewo eha sad development in Italia ma mena senafe mene lawyer Fifi Backman eni enkomo lawyer akwaba na pom to den
Yamina Dumo, Masa, not to them.
Yamina Dum, Bibi Aboko. Mamin Kayet here for say 5 lawyers and I opt to say umbe defending in Yaban on pro bono basis. Now lead counsel, lawyer Fifi Backman. Lawyer, Odikan, why the decision to want to defend the suspect on pro bono basis?
Oh, Medasi, Mamincho, with a free now. Yeah, man, I'm too good. But Ebusiano na wobohum the wobese mejina na meze ama erabano. Nti kitama akodo be about 3 days because na be hear information bi na this one so on ho. Nti ended that and you bring now ma me say there what's in there when you erabano boko court man the pay your coin na boko do ho no na o chede your senior lawyers one so what is the case now because now umber out there our lawyer you see other thing na way na wa na he na yepo na yenye court no in cafe court na woman bill.
Oh, okay. And the lawyer, other senior lawyers, and so say only lawyer and Omunina Ebaho, right?
Only lawyer.
Okay. In which share why one agent there, after when now back up, we defending, right?
And your way now, Obia be defended.
Okay.
And maybe the thing is that it is not about whether or you're guilty or not.
Absolutely.
But we are looking at the justice of the case. I'm here now. I'm a justice. Why Juma? It's whether she's guilty or not guilty, the law must work.
Now, Moshe, the charges preferred against him by the police, deceiving, in the statement of offense, count 1, deceiving a public officer, contrary to section 251B of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29, and 2-year publication of false news with intent to cause fear and alarm to the public, contrary to section 2081 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29. Samoshe count 2 now. With intent, no, the prosecution will have to prove the intent, honor the burden of proof, no one do. But actually, count 1 now. Deceiving a public officer, particulars of offense, or say, Josephine Penyon Mensah, 27 years, trader. You, on 16th September 2021, at Old John Saba Road, Takoradi in the Western Circuit, and within the jurisdiction of this court, with intent to evade the requirement of the law, did make statement or declaration to police officer and the general public that you were pregnant and kidnapped, which statement you well knew at the time of making it to be false. A year clear, and there will be no space for our client to Moboa.
Obi, but that's me a court. Are there a radio? Me see there or unethical on your lawyer every
radio though.
It is most unethical.
Ekosiisen on
Yanega or your interest a woman there.
Okay.
Case na you be do court demo. Here public na you be. If the police for what share him na what share one evidence na no what's the charge na is abon. As a lawyer, more than you there, ebua my justice or ye juba.
Oh ye juma.
If you meet any day, no, you meet people when you want a corner or lawyers no. You need any day, what court dem one. You must have some now what's happening. When evidence what's happening, na he nara more than yaka one yaka.
Yeah, but Samoshe, a prosecutor no. All my details of the facts to the court, he made the point there. O client admit on interrogation to some event or happening. So why did you still go ahead to ask her to plead not guilty?
But Yamin will be some guilty or not guilty.
Oh, I say man advice. I'm an advice, yeah.
Abandon will be spent. No, Mama, the brother so today.
Ekosiisen
the police station were here for why to know why to know offense no. So about quarter in China, about court will be said they are guilty and are not guilty. You see, it doesn't matter whether or J2 your baby and now why to your baby. But
I get it.
Good.
I get
you
it.
See now when you know about courts, they will be said they are guilty and are not guilty. As to the circumstances, are already two and I want find Jan two. Now will go through fire in the courtroom.
I get that bit. Into that whole admission, confession before the police will be put to critical scrutiny in the court of law. But the other thing there say plead guilty from the onset on serve as a form of mitigation when she's eventually found guilty by the court.
It will plead guilty.
On a making the sanka. No, that's how
we plead.
No, I want to believe there. No. For me, Canada, when plead based on advice, I want what the man,
Hello, Obi.
Yeah, lawyer, I say when plead based on advice, I want what the man me boy.
Advice I want the man is that you put the other can will be said they're guilty or not guilty. Once not guilty, it's based on advice will be the man. Mr. Policeman, I don't want you man, no lawyers, and son of when you're
Oh, okay. Mate, and before she was brought to court today, you never had any opportunity to have a client lawyer conversation BR.
No, never.
Wow, that's interesting. Anyways, Enti yaboshe what will come out of this? Nyame ya doma se wo free case ni bio in court. Enti we'll still follow up. That's papa de nyambre ne yedin.
Paso me that's but my make some certificate to be Obi.
Okay.
I'm the enyi me dada.
Yes.
And I believe in making the law work. And I believe in professionalism. You see, them Obilimina Waya, NDC, MPP, NDC, Democratic Semono. Mamin can pay, Namin Kade or in criticism. It is a matter of professional work. I'm a professional. I work for MPP people. I work for NDC. I work for PPP. I work for whatever. One from Woba or NDC Zinim, and now MPP Zinim. Or from Woba. I'm a professional lawyer. You see them uncivilized way bina a semi-biana why an NDC MPP. It should stop.
But why are people drawing those inferences into this whole issue?
There was one newscaster, in fact, I called the producer, one of the national AU. All we are today, I want to know understanding lawyer, understanding of NDC. And so what?
Wow.
They are not serious. They may have who baby of you. Everybody might be sorry PPU, sorry NDCU, sorry CPPU. If you do PR or website, they'll go to video or that for 1 hour day. I say, as a radio minister, Chama, I shall know the one voice. And I'm so happy with Assembly Okende. Whether Assembly or can you one can you. Let us put the sentiment aside.
Yeah.
Let's look at the facts of the matter. Let's make sure that justice is done.
I agree with you, lawyer. I agree. It's unfortunate that people are drawing those inferences, but let's see. I know you. I know how ethical and professional you are. Enti yenshe ma asemi bekwa kusi. Aye. Yeah, so that's it. And the lawyer Fifi Buckman and Motene Nkano, private legal practitioner based in Secondary Takoradi, and the law firm here Bosomtwe Sam, one of the very, very well noted law firms in Secondary Takoradi. Lawyer Fifi Buckman there, lead counsel for the suspect in this particular issue. In the Ekosiisen, Higher Sempa 94.6.